Welcome back, everyone. Ranger Restoration and Repair here. Today we're continuing on with our Artillatron restoration series, and today we're on part 3. We're on the middle section of Artillatron for bays 5 and 3. We're going to go ahead and get this stripped off, get the stickers off. These came off pretty good. There was a little bit of trouble on the front stickers. They wanted to separate, trying to get some glue that was set up, but for the most part it was pretty easy going. For the bottom part, I'm not actually going to do a video on that. I think you guys get the idea of what we're going for here, the process of taking these off. I'll go ahead and get everything polished up and the glue residue stripped off with some alcohol, get everything cleaned up really nice. And the next time you see this project back, we're going to be applying some decals to it. So keep your eyes peeled. Hopefully in the next little bit, I'll have some free time. We'll get this thing rocked out and get Artillatron back to its former glory. Remember, if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. That way you get updates on what's coming up, what I've got going on, new videos coming up. And keep your eyes peeled, guys. We're at 168 subscribers right now. I'm thinking in the next little bit, I want to say maybe 175, possibly even 200 if we get to that point. Like I said, we've been getting a lot of new subscribers. I thank all of you guys. I really appreciate the support. But we're going to be doing another giveaway. Like I said, I'm not really sure what number we're going to do it at. I want to say 175. We'll do something. We may do something at 200 as well. But remember to share the channel. If you like what you see, if you enjoy my videos, share them with other folks that you know that enjoy this, that have these kind of hobbies, and let's just spread the word. Share this around. And like I said, until next time, thanks, guys.